This is a pretty cool product right here. This is right here. This is what it is. And you can keep this in your pocket. You can travel with it. This is especially great if you're staying in hotel rooms and you still want all the functionality of watching stuff either from your laptop. So you have all your streaming services hooked up. You don't have to re-log in, or you can even do it from your phone. This is a wireless transmitter. You have your HDMI port here. You have your USB-C here, so that one has to be powered. This one has to be plugged into the back of TV. It comes with a small HDMI cable, and it also comes with a small USB-C. But you know, everyone has a million USB-Cs, or maybe that's just me. But this one is pretty short, but you don't need very much. You just need to power it. You can even probably power it off the back of the TV. And I love how this goes all together. And it's orange to, if you have like the new iPhone 17, it'll match. They come in different colors as well. Plug this one into the bottom of your phone or your laptop, turn it on. Then you plug this one in to the HDMI and the USB, and you can instantly cast super easily onto a television or a different device. So let's go check it out and I'll show you. All right, so you can see plugged in here, all set up, and in the back of the TV, there it is right there. And right here, you can see we have my Amazon page popped up. You can scroll down and see, and look at, we're watching. It's like a little Inception right now, making her go crazy. So you can see how well it works and how you can watch it. And we're watching a little different review I went, and she doesn't understand why she can't jump on the couch with herself. So that transmitter right there works great, and I hope this video helps with your buying decision.